dealing with someone or an event where you're having alcohol and someone gets inebriated and they're on your premises, or again a third party's premises, there could be a lawsuit. And you could lose everything. Most people will sue the venue as well as the people having the party, and that could be detrimental to both the venue and the person who had the party. So it's very important that you have your liability coverage in place. You have to get your liquor license through the LCBO, the Liquor Control Board. The number of people that are at the event have to match the liquor license. There can't be more than what's stated on your liquor license. So, and we ask for that information for the liability policy, so those two pieces have to match. Yes, even a small event when you're having 5-6 people, or a large event up to 200-300 people, there's an exposure at any event for the person who's having that event. You want to make sure you've got your coverage in place, whether it's at your home, whether it's at a third-party venue like I've mentioned before. The event insurance can range from about $50 to over $200, depending on the number of people attending the event, depending on what kind of activities you're having at the event, if you've got jumping castles or slip and slides, those types of things. You want to make sure you've got all those pieces checked off. If you have bleachers, someone could be standing on a bleacher and fall and you could be held liable. That's the biggest question, and my answer would be yes. I know of a personal situation where a young girl was on a trampoline at someone's home during a party and has been severely injured. And now her quality of life has completely changed, and her only recourse is to sue the family and their friends of the location of where she was when the accident occurred. So your home insurance responds to that, but having that third-party liability just gives you that extra buffer, because what your home insurance doesn't cover, if you have a $2 million liability, the party alcohol or the event insurance will carry an additional $1 million of coverage, or $2 million depending on what you choose, to extend that additional coverage, and then nothing will come out of your pocket. So the difference in premium from $1 million to $2 million is about $20 or $30. But if you think about the value of $1 million and to pay an additional $20 or $30 to get $2 million, how much more coverage you have for you and your family, and the things you've worked so hard for, I don't see why someone wouldn't choose $2 million over $1 million. We also have an event coverage where it's called a wedding package, essentially. It can cover everything from the Jack and Jills, the wedding showers, the reception night, and the wedding itself. So it's a comprehensive package. It can cover for a week, 2 weeks, but it gives all of the coverage in one lump sum.